Tanenda jireki. We are heading to different places. Twena turi kusimbura turi kwiruka ku rugakabari. Hariho ri kuza Lyantonde, hariho ri koma Mbarara, hariho ri kuza Kampala. Titukakoze sa speed ryemwe. Me shine. I'm singing for my son today.
Alright, I am Ankole think this I must the sparks and one savage on it. So yeah, right about now in shine Omukiga wamparo and shine takwitaga introduction yamani just only that you have to know that the chairperson of Greater Chigezi Musician Association, not so. So shiny a word to the people.
Hello, mnagamba chabale bibita barungi.
So shiny tell us about today. Why are we here?
Initially, why did we come here, not why we are here? Tuija hanu ya kwega about the copyright law, and so far so good. URSB is doing a good job because we tukazom parliament twashaba for the amendment of the copyright law. Bagire bibongera mu hagire bibihamo mu mateka gatwire garuga kuvuganya music yitu, and batereze biraga ashatu kwetereza. You know, we tell them what we want exactly and everything. So that's why we are here today. Wadorjungu ni rwinji konka, yeah. So far so good. So
nareba cause naratana pia abantu abaruga Kigezi, it has been quite crazy. In fact basinga natana pia yabishongoza ababita around. As this brings me to a point. Is it abishongoza bambara, are they not being serious? What is the think chenga jaka antwaka yawa, because every time we hold such events turn up yabo nesha kubera inche, because umwana ajate atabeshongoza barhana binjini ba upcoming zvonka abeshongoza kuteka teka ninga shabuta kubeteka tangu bashemye kuba baro, they are nowhere to be seen. What are your comments regarding something like that?
Ngamba mazima ga TV ninga let me see Kigezi top artists. Fact zamani shine Omukiga Snaz Kansime Anna Music. Ashaba Music is not here. She was supposed to be here, but she has a personal issue she's dealing with. So she told us on our WhatsApp group why she couldn't come. Kansime Ann is also supposed to be here. Konkaya acherererwa nibwo yarga kunterera hati ya Lyantonde. Meaning yaza kwikano na meeting araza kuba yagizireke eraza kuba yahwire. Meaning for us, our top 5 artists, we have Zamani representing, we have Snaz representing, we have Shine Omukiga representing. Meaning we actually understood, we got the assignment. We know why we are here today. It is for our music. It's nechi tuchira tuyamba, nechi itwabe shongozi, not my manager, not my producer, not nyowo mwe shongozi na koranta sete mukwe shongora kwanje. We got the assignment because we first had a briefing before we even came. Hakatora fakwato mwana kamwiha kuri ngwija Mbarara temba taxi vuge motoka temba bus oyije Mbarara for a workshop tamushoboro rene yachi araza kwihamuki. So I'm thinking because the workshop was in Mbarara, maybe Mbarara artists were not briefed on what it was about, or you're too big. No mako byo mwina beshongozi bahango baman. Give me your top 5. One.
I think I the top 5 because I mean, as a media personality, I have to be neutral.
No, I have not said. Jesus Christ!
I cannot be.
Rage. Omega 256. We have T-Pol. We have Truth 256. Those are the 4. Are they here? Is any one of them here?
Then that is what brought me that question.
So whose music are we talking about? Their manager's music. Because I hear some of them were saying, hey, you get a name manager, ate manager na abuza, hariho manager umwe shongozo umwe muribo owamubuza ati Reiji wariyo naija. So what has your music got to do with Reiji's music? You forget Reiji is in Kampala. If this workshop goes in Kampala, he's gonna attend it. And you're in Mbarara, you've missed this because you want to show face when Reiji shows face. Honestly speaking, and I'm glad that me as a musician, I'm the one addressing this. Enjura yagwe mitumba ya plantation emitumba yawe likugwa obuzot kandi she yaniba yo yagwire yawe likugwa ulikuza ba kugira ngo yawe likugwa of you hurry up emitumba yawe likugwa ulikuza yabe yanyonyozi yagwire. It has been going
Kampala mbendeba like Eddie Kenzo's backing star.
Even the movement that we started, it's tulikuza parliament katwine ba Kenzo twine the big artists that you people know. Chameleon was there, Levixon was there. You understand what I'm telling you? So katigwa muyimbi wembarara who has not come here today. kwegamba okikubye nnyo taata osinga ne Kenzo obunene oba kitegeera osinga Shiba obunene okikubye nnyo tokwenda abantu bakureebe kuba kukureeba n'ohwamu juice oba
stamina upcoming
kamarara ago nigo garekire Western Uganda n'omweshongozo
industries boy.
That's thank you. Do you understand? No, but honestly, and I'm saying it with so much pain, by the way, it is not funny that we have artists who feel like they are too big to breathe the same air with us. Ngena hati nyorugire Kampala nkishati nyine byo gukora. Madam,
maybe just because you honored an invitation then kandi chindo kabano manya why this
Abatisha bari busy or they were not invited. Everyone we're talking about has been called. You call someone and they're like, oh, workshop munse sibugenda mogenda mu buliwa workshop ne abeshongozi ba Western Uganda oryo mweshongozi wankai ko ryenza arwa yambara
akatendengea Kampala because abona bakwingana.
Ate guess what, maybe kubara rebeji interview ya Kampala ni bakujiza, but they are not planning on going to the Kampala one. I mean, they are too big, yo. They are too big. Like this is not for them. Agona marara obunyacharo rural urban excitement kushanga wazirwo ryo munyacharo okatera ka hit kamwe okararuka and you get high on yourself. You forget that abantu bozarawa beba kutekayo. We are who we are because people accepted us and loved our music. We are not who we are because twazariwanga tuli bakabi.
So and then still about this ikintu cha copyright na indebo twatulyo mundo mu obutulyo mu still in that consultative meeting, is it being too early for this because abantu nwana ikibuze cyana buzurangu they are green about the idea?
It's not that it is too early. It's never too early for you to own your product. But ndagira abana bashomesa bo baturetire kutwegeserizo bati baba briefing jire.
It was confusing. Abantu begesa baba confused. Abantu bega baba confused more.
I feel like I understand what you're saying because we've had this talk of copyright. Itwabachigezi, we've had a talk about it and we understood it and welcomed it. Konkomano wijeri izoba, they might change their mind. Yet they came here to be convinced. Ababanta bijaheri izoba tibari kutushobororeraje. Honestly, I would boldly say obabija kwenda ngumgendo bagire ngo bakija. They are not hinechi wachenga ko shitamiyo nanyi hinebi wachenga wakwata muchi
like for the first 30 minutes and green
you are green
oya nagamba then baguruka
bazaha chindi then baguruka bazaha chindi
not until just akacha kunija kufunamu nabo jangu nija kufuna like from
ebyabandi babali kubuza in the process of answering obona kuchenga konka hutugirango thank you konka hutugirango katuname obubatsindikira twejes na hati kuri hati nekitoramanyi. Honestly speaking, today we had tea, we ate good food, we are even going to drink tea again and they might give us money.
So that was the highlight of the day.
You said I speak the truth. Abantu abo mwatsindikire bo kutwegesa about copyright titwabichenga. They are giving us examples of Michael Jackson, yet we have our own people here like Nyowenda manyangu hino rurimi orwo muntu wa hands orunda basa kukozesa kakaka somweshongozi copyright law akajikiriza kandi akajikunda. These people are talking to us like we already know. They don't know that we are green. They are talking to us like we passed senior 4, we are now in senior 5. They don't know we are still in nursery school.
Then back to that point, no take copyright, this copyright thing no unaweza kuyamba upcomings because abana ba struggle because na indeba hana abana abuntakalaga faces zaba byeshongolo. So how no take is it going to be possible to attach a copyright to a content etakabe no kutambula?
Nyowe nangora reba is the time I was discussing with those Kampala artists ndi kubagira ngo cyakirende cyo kintu cya copyright bakihinguze kizeho konketa aba mandatory orenda because you see we have different goals. In Uganda, I am also an upcoming artist in Uganda because I am not yet a national artist. I might be, you can be a national celebrity but not as a musician. Like people can know me for different things. I've been on TV, on a TV series, I've been on radio. I am a very funny person, I'm a very social person. So but when my name is more popular than my music, you understand? I'm skipping the point. What am I saying? Orenda azeyo otanenda jirechi. We are heading to different places. twena turi kusimbura turi kwiruka ku ruga kabari hariho ri kuza ryantonde hariho ri koma mbarara hariho ri kuza Kampala titwakoze sa speed ryemwe me shine I'm singing for my son today
Junior Christopher
nkeye shongorera namara ubu nayishongwire nkeshunga namara right now I'm doing it for my son. If he will not benefit from it, I have no business doing it. That's why I want the copyright law to guard my music. He benefits from what I did. Naye waliwo omwana nga ye kiroto kye kumukuba mukastense ne waka.
Mwana yakana imagine ngo in fact we ngo yana abijabe free of charge nazana kubasha
kiroto kyeye. Kugira ngo bamutera nka Radio West ya Zimbabwe ameyo wabone bamuhereza. We have different dreams, but the truth is I would encourage every artist take on this copyright law. Otine mururu otari mubwira era muyamba. Konka wonenda kurya hatati, please feel free to sell it to anyone. You go and cut CDs and sell them. Konka nyotarenda kurya hatiya. I have spent 3 years without singing and I've not been earning from my music. But it plays on radio, doesn't it? People still watch it on YouTube, don't they? People have my music on Caller Tunes, don't they? But I've not earned anything. The only way an artist earns in Uganda is on stage. So nyowa mere myaka 3 ntari shongora. Omazire myaka 3 ntari ha stage. I have not earned anything from my music, which is still playing. So with the copyright law, I will know that when I get pregnant for my second born, I will sit down monseje achuke after even 2 years because of weshongoro bunatire ntakagizirenda buraza kuba burakore sete. Kwenda kuruga in the slavery of stage performance kushanga ngo the only way an artist earns is from itashite turagwara wo kuntimba nkarwara tindarye no kurwara meza abireriza batawe ndarye. Yet I can sit at home and still make money. This is what the copyright law is about. That every time you're enjoying my music, I'm getting paid because I created that music. That's why I'm telling you, I know for sure that I would sit here and convince omweshongos okuchejumbiramu because nyoenda manyo busasi bweye ubwo muntu wa hasi konka abantu baragamba kabarigamba nabantu bahajiri.
Then back to the effectiveness of Chachabire because it's now proposed it's a proposed law in case Chachabire passed no take nkuchiza kuchanging like the earning culture yabeshongozi wa Western Uganda because in Western Uganda kasente ko kanjirije kayanga
something now. The moment this copyright law comes, the amendment we want erimuna cross eraragira ngo ku every broadcasting service, TV, radio station, whatever, plays 90% Ugandan content. Azana ryo ririyiteka kandi ijuka kora tutero tugira ki otushashura ati turebe yaba katugire Sky TV yabiraze kwecanga ekagira ngo nyota wenenda kutere byeshongo byana Western Uganda tinda basa kushashura shayino mu kiga shinji bitano biri kutere cyeshongo cye turebe yawa tere by'abaganda kusha rera ho mponi hora ashoborera abanyankore icyo rikora muri mbarara uri kutere byeshongo by'abaganda kusha. But do you understand what I'm saying? Tugenda funamu. Of course, if we were not going to benefit from it, we would not be here.
Yakora challenge mchishongo cha we get nothing. So copyright law still na indeba ngo unoba kujiteka in place. Ndangu abarede it's you have been in the industry for quite some time.
No. Darling, if I woke up today and I did a bad song and another artist did a good song, the radio will not vote to play my song because I'm shy in Omukiga. They're going to play the good song because they have to pay. Iwe bakugira ngo shashoye no shashire chibininge chironje. Yeah. Then, which is why I'm telling you we shall pull up our socks because you're going to fight so hard to become big enough. People are going to get serious. I totally want this copyright law to come. It is going to make artists serious. Kuba chirahenda kwene byeshongoro 20 abiri bibonire 12 hit 10 kusha ondija kisha inechi mukaza stage bakabaye sete zitarashwana ngo because ogumpa hawe akeshongora ke yakatambwize munonga karya oba I don't know how to explain it to you, but this copyright law is going to make us benefit so much. Let me use this example. Radio's music is still playing up to today. I think azombara ngunarugamba tachitire kandi tibakachitera ngo wasigaro shitami kebe na TV kebe mu motoka kebe nkai. And how is his family?
of recent and Lilian Baz bakuma evicting from her.
It be happening if the copyright law was in place and he had rights to his music, Lilian would be fine. Lilian's children would be studying in the best schools in Kampala because he's still like one of the most played artists in the country. Has the most.
If not the best. If not the best.
No, he's the best, but most played. One of them. Music ye chariho ba DJ baragikora musete bakama amabara za radio ziratera nito mukato ratera konko mukazi bamubinjiro mu njabo bwa rent. One.
But there is life after you. That watu areba example ya Lilian.
Ngamanyara atngene niko musigaza atanenda kushera atanenda kuzara tutora bimugambira. But then what happens if maybe vitu vya music vili funny today Shine is a hit, tomorrow I am not. So what happens when you're no longer a hit but people are still dancing to Obulim? What happens when you're not on stage but before you go on, before other artists abo bayeta batakagera stage baranza babaterera kwato mugongo cheshongoro chawe? Meaning even in your absence your music is playing but you're not earning. So the use of the copyright law no kurebeka ngu na washtamo mu kameza tanoti sete ziri kwijanka. Why is Epas one of the richest musicians in Uganda? Why?
And he rarely
posters. When is the last time Epas was in Barara? Think
rarely.
Exactly my point. Do you know why? He has a very big house, drives a very big car, has a studio in his house. You understand? Like he's living the life of a superstar. Do you know why? Because of the copyright law. Ebya yakabihanditse sakare wachi kwato baragira ki barakunyiga uploading cheshongoro cheye, all the loyalties go to him. His music is making him money off stage konkitwe tujyabo kugwa ha stage of naba nyine show erizo banjina ha hit ngarwaro mushije ndaba nyine kugugambira gwije sha munana bwubone kunkwataje hati gube ngunye hugize.
But now ate ndeba ekintu it's so beneficiary okubanza niyo mwishunguza
but abari ku deliveringa information tibari kutushobororera of hati nkaka kanta kutwagamba hati asa kushanga wachenga munonga kusingo bwiro bwase usibogezereki kabari kukoza se bigambo byinje munonga. They are saying yes I've even told the guy just go in and give literal examples ngabo yogede na ba radio uno yayimba nafa enyimba agamba Michael Jackson muitantia I don't understand why these artists are not here. I don't.
But joining the copyright even if no bakoba atize because abatiza no barebeka kuba like they are reputed to be wise na basako ba yarajumanyo inga najumanyo just yatakwenda kwicagiza kuhura.
Amen, I hope so.
Me too. So aliyoko heno hana tureba, it has been sign Omukiga. It was a pleasure having you. Yes, until next time na bantu bade sparks na banyine savage camera.
Selecta, kuluta ninga hale kale. Nina mani, no sa kuchiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani, no sa kukakasa ngo nina mani.